This is one of those things that you don't really know that you want, and then once you have it, you're like, why didn't I get this so much earlier? What is up, people? Dunna here, and today we're gonna be taking a look at something brand new from PolarPro. This is called the Slate. But before I tell you what it is, let's play a little game. Head down to the comment section, leave a comment letting me know what you think this mysterious little box might be, and on your way down there, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already. It's okay, I'll wait. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Roll the sequence. You may have heard of PolarPro before. They're known for making awesome high-quality filters for drones and GoPros, and they've also started making some of those awesome high-quality filters for your interchangeable lens cameras as well. But we're not here to talk about their amazing filters. That video is coming though. We're here to talk about the Slate. The Slate is a versatile, organized storage case fortified to protect your most essential accessories. I'm not reading off the box. You're reading off the box. The PolarPro Slate has a lightweight but super rugged aluminum build. It's kind of hard to show on video exactly how great it feels to hold this thing, so I'm gonna try and reenact how it felt when I first took it out of the packaging. Shh. Wow. This feels great. It actually just feels so strong, like when you shake someone's hand for the first time, and it's so firm that you know they could either save your life or crush you. The latch itself is super firm, so you know you're closing nice and tight to protect your cards. And on the inside, we have these custom injection molded rubberized inserts so that they fit your cards perfectly and snugly, and one side is removable, giving you interchangeable storage options. The Slate comes in two different configurations. The one that I have here fits 8 SD cards and 16 microSD cards, and the other configuration has spots for 4 SD cards, 4 microSD, and 4 XQD cards. And just to go back to what it said on the box, fortified to protect your most essential accessories. Protecting your cards is serious business. You put a lot of time and effort into getting that content. Why wouldn't you want to make sure that it's protected? So if you're like me and you've been using these crappy little plastic cases or just tossing cards in your bag, it's time to say goodbye to the old ways and say hello to the PolarPro Slate. But it's not just about protection either. Having all your cards in one place is super convenient too. Now, there's no more rummaging around in your bag trying to find another card while everyone waits on you. Sorry guys, just 1 second. I swear it was in this pocket. Wait, it's this other one. With the Slate, it's more like this. Oh yes, I can grab a new SD card quickly. Look at this super sexy matte black and gold SD card case with all my memory options organized and easily accessible. One thing that I like to do with the Slate is use the left-hand side to hold empty cards and the right-hand side to hold cards that the footage needs to be dumped. This makes it even more convenient and organized, and I like that I can pull out the right side insert with all my full cards when I'm going to dump them onto my computer. So if you're interested in stepping up your game and getting some protection and convenience for your memory, check out the PolarPro Slate. They're an awesome company that makes awesome products. The link will be in the description. As always, I want to know what you think of the PolarPro Slate. Can you think of any interesting ways that you would use this? Leave a comment below, and on your way down, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And yes, I do have a video coming out about ND filters featuring some of the incredible PolarPro stuff too. I know you've been patiently waiting for it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.